popcorn tossed with milk chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, crumbled graham crackers, drizzled with melted chocolate. More s'mores. Wait until you try s'mores popcorn. This fabulous idea for a scrumptious treat is really easy to make. It is crazy delicious and everyone who tries it is like, more s'mores popcorn please. Let's get right to it. We're going to start by melting 1 cup of milk chocolate chips in a double boiler. We're going to transfer the chocolate into a piping bag. You'll see in a moment, even if you don't have a piping bag, you're going to be able to drizzle that chocolate onto the popcorn mixture freestyle. Let's make that popcorn mixture next. 1 cup of corn kernels, we're going to pop them in the microwave or in an air popper like I'm using. You'll need 4 cups of popped popcorn for the recipe. Of course, you can also use store-bought popped popcorn. It'll just be a little saltier if you love that salty sweet flavor combination. Next, add 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, 2 cups of mini marshmallows, 1 cup of crumbled graham crackers. You're going to stir to combine, then spill the mixture out onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Optional if you're feeling a little nutty. Sprinkle the sheet with 1 cup of chopped pecans, then zigzag back and forth with the melted chocolate, toss, and then add more chocolate drizzle. And that is it. Chill it for maybe 5 minutes in the freezer just to set, and then you're ready to enjoy. I like letting everyone just come to the kitchen for a grab-and-go snack, or you can transfer little bits into small bowls for movie night. This is so perfect. The full recipe is up at weekendатthecottage.com. You can subscribe to our website when you visit. You'll find this and other snack videos on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to that as well. And then when snacks are this fabulous, take a picture of them and post them on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage when you do on Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Who wants more s'mores popcorn? I totally do. Enjoy. So good.